Hello, my name is Mrs. Thiele. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade art here at Brambleton Middle School, and I wanted to take just a quick moment to introduce myself to you since your child is now starting art with me for semester 2. So first of all, what does your child need for art class? They just need to bring a pencil, eraser, an agenda, and a sketchbook to art class every day. So what kind of sketchbook should you get? Well, we recommend a hardbound sketchbook, and that's because we're going to start gluing things into the sketchbook so that they can keep a record of what they do and practice in art class. So the hardbound books will make it easier for them not to lose anything or to tear out pages. I'll put a link in the description of this video to just one example of a sketchbook that's hardbound on Amazon. If you can get an 8.5 by 11-inch sketchbook, this helps us with storage. I'm going to make a space available for the kids to store their sketchbooks in the classroom so they don't have to worry about bringing it every day to class. Also, something you might want to know about is what are we going to be doing in art class? I like to base most of what we do around art making projects. I know the kids want to come to art class and create, and I think that's most important at this age. So 2 examples, and I just picked these up real quick, that we'll be doing in class this semester are watercolor mandalas. This is actually probably the first project we're going to do together. And something else that I know we'll be doing this semester are ceramic bowls. So I'm going to make sure that we use a bunch of different materials and learn new art making techniques during this semester of art, and I'll make sure to include some artists, art movements, and history into class as well. We'll have formative practices as well as summative assignments. You can always check out your student's grade on Parent View, and if you have any questions, please email me at my LCPS address. If you're wondering what we're doing at any time, look at the weekly parent update. I'll make sure to update that for you. And also follow us on Instagram because that's where we can visually show you what we're doing, not only in 6th grade, but in all grades at Brambleton. So our Instagram address I'll also post in the description of this video, but it is @Brambleton_art. Here's a quick tour of our large, beautiful classroom. And let me just point out as well that we do have a place here, the Device Hotel, for students to keep all of their personal electronic devices. They do not need to have an electronic device for art class, ever. If they do bring an electronic device to art class, I just ask that they place it in the Device Hotel as they come in, because everyday use of electronics will be teacher directed, which means devices should be put away when not told to take them out. So, I'm looking forward to a great semester with your child. I hope they enjoy art as much as I do. My #1 goal as an art teacher is to bring out the joy, imagination, and creativity out of children. So I will know that I'm successful as an art teacher if your child comes home saying that they like to create art. Hopefully I meet my goal, and hopefully your children will grow as artists this semester here at Brambleton Middle School. Thanks! I hope to meet you in person sometime soon. Bye!